everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Crafts Designs. I'm back today with another haul video. I know how everybody is trying to get polymer clay right now, so I did my best to try not to order any Primo or anything from the Sculpey line, just because I know it's sold out in a lot of places and it's what everybody's looking for. That being said, the last time I bought Primo, I did buy some of the, I was going to try to show you the label, but it's gone. So this is the Primo Amber. Oh, it might be right here. Lordy, it's so tiny. Oh, I had it the right way to begin with. Yeah, the Amber Translucent. That being said, I followed Catherine Halstead's a tutorial, which I never do. I never follow anybody's tutorial. But I'd been wanting to make a faux tortoiseshell for forever and was just never happy with the results. So, this was a complete fail, all because of my oven. When we did a bit of rearranging recently, we moved the oven out of the way for a while. And when we put it back, we didn't plug it in. So, that was the first problem. Easily solved, just had to wait for my husband because, of course, it's behind a bunch of stuff. So, he took care of that. Then I baked it for an hour, took them out. Granted, I don't change... Sorry about that. I talk so much sometimes in these videos. I make myself a dry throat and it makes me cough. So, anyway, after an hour, took them out. I don't change my oven temperature ever. Ever. It's just a little countertop convection oven. Stays where it needs to. Yada, yada, yada. It was on warm. So after an hour, when I took them out, I was going to start to sand and buff them, and it literally just crushed. Only the top was baked. It broke this corner right here, caused a lot of plaquing and stuff. So after I put them back in and rebaked them, there's what we got. Now, I'm not at all happy with the results. For the Primo, it was way too much translucent. It lost a lot of its color. Now, on the bracelet, it does look a little better because I put a greater ratio of the amber on the inside. So, that's mostly what you're seeing. But anyway, I love the technique. It was all my doing that caused the troubles. These are just some beads that I did of the scraps. I don't know where it went, but anyway. Okay, that being said, that was Primo. This is the Cernit. I used to have another scarab done out of Primo that is a little bit different color mix, but anyway, really nice stuff. These came from, not all at one time, from Blueberry Beads. She got, there's the website, Facebook, email, phone number, Jennifer LeBlanc. Really, really nice place. So I got way too much. Like I said, not all at one time. This is the Opaline. I love this. I love this color. I love that effect. When it bakes up, it's almost like you're looking at a solid interior with a layer of translucent on the outside. Okay, so anyway, back to the Opaline. There is the code. I had a big block of the translucent. There's the code. This is a 17.7 ounce block. These, there's actually 5 of them. Little blocks of translucent were a substitute because I had ordered the 8.8 ounce and they were out of them. So she sent me these. So there are somewhere there's 5 of these. Then I bought some translucents. This is the translucent Amethyst. There's the code. It's called Violet. Translucent Violet. Now this one is the translucent Amber. But what I wanted to show you is the difference in the coloration. Now, I haven't used this one yet, so I don't know. Okay, then this one, I believe is the Ruby. There's the code. It's a little pinker than I expected, but again, haven't tried it. We'll have to find out. Now, along with these 3 translucents, I did get the translucent sapphire blue. And like I said, I did try this along with another, the 4th of the 5 translucents. And then this one, weirdly enough, is emerald. Okay, a little odd, but it's the emerald. Okay, so those were the translucents. This one is the metallic, just gold. Okay, so the reason I had those separate is because I use those to make this. Mixed the sapphire the sapphire blue with translucent. Mixed some of the sapphire blue with the emerald and translucent. Then I just I chopped those up. Chopped up a little translucent. And then I chopped up just the tiniest bit of gold. And then I mixed the gold with just a touch of mica powder and some glitter. Mix that all together. Obviously, too much gold. And, of course, you can't see the emerald at all. Tiny little bits of the translucent. But I love the sheen. It doesn't feel plasticky, if that makes any sense. So, another attempt will have to be done. And I got metallics. This one is copper. Silver. pearl. So this one is the antique gold. This one is the champagne. Love that color. I believe this is the bronze. Yep, antique bronze. Sorry about that. And then this one is the bronze. Antique bronze. Okay. So, other than this piece right here, I've not done any work. Oh my goodness. I haven't done any work at all with the Cernit other than this piece right here. And it was a really nice, pleasant experience. Now this is really fresh. Really fresh. As in the way Primo used to be. It's really sticky, it's really fresh. Catherine does a lot of work on pieces of paper, which I don't do, but I can see the benefits behind that. So for the Cernit, that may be an option. So look forward to more work with the Cernit. Don't worry, I've got plenty of Primo. So that will continue as well. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I always forget to say that. Bye for now.